The legendary trading psychologist Mark Douglas said, "If you can learn to create a state of mind that is not affected by the market's behavior, the struggle will cease to exist." There is no behavior more psychologically agonizing than the phantom fill. You spend hours mapping out the perfect analysis. The market taps within a single fraction of a point of your limit order, leaves you behind, and aggressively shoots straight to your take profit. What you do in the next 60 seconds will dictate your entire trading career. When a normal stop loss hits, you can usually accept it because you were simply mathematically wrong. But when you suffer an almost trade, your brain screams in pure entitlement. You look at that massive green candle running to the target, and your ego convinces you that you were just violently robbed of money that rightfully belonged to you. This feeling of entitlement is the ultimate psychological trap that wipes out intelligent day traders. The reality is that you didn't actually lose a single dollar. Your account balance is exactly the same as it was this morning. But because your analysis was correct, your brain registers the missed unrealized profit as a massive, devastating financial loss. And that is exactly when the fear of missing out completely hijacks your prefrontal cortex. You refuse to accept that the move is already over and the opportunity is gone. Instead of taking a deep breath and walking away from the terminal, you grab the mouse in a panic, and you market execute your entry at the absolute top of the move just to feel like you are participating. By forcing yourself into the market late, you have completely destroyed your mathematical risk-to-reward ratio. Your stop loss is now miles away from a logical, structural level, and your potential profit target is barely a few points away. You have abandoned a high-probability business strategy and replaced it with an emotional, desperate gamble. Think about it like arriving at a train station. If you miss your train by 3 seconds, you do not jump down onto the dangerous tracks and try to physically chase a speeding locomotive on foot. You sit down on the bench, you check the schedule, and you wait patiently for the next one. But in the markets, amateur traders sprint onto the tracks and chase the price action. And you know exactly what happens the moment you chase the train and enter late. The market exhausts itself. The institutional algorithms trigger their profit-taking sequences, and the violent pullback begins. You are instantly trapped in heavy drawdown, completely helpless, watching the red numbers stack up against you on a trade that you shouldn't even be in. This creates the worst psychological pain a trader can ever experience. It is the double pain scenario. You were entirely right about the fundamental direction of the market. Your initial analysis was flawless, but you still ended up taking a devastating financial loss, purely because you let your ego dictate your entry mechanics. To survive in this business, you must radically redefine what it means to be wrong. Missing an entry by half a point does not mean the market is manipulating you, and it does not mean your edge is broken. It simply means that specific transaction was not meant for you today. You must build an impenetrable mindset of complete abundance. The market is an endless, infinite river of opportunity. It will print a brand new, high probability setup tomorrow, the day after that, and the week after that. When you force a late FOMO entry, you are operating from a toxic mindset of extreme scarcity. You are subconsciously telling yourself that this one specific candle is the last time you will ever make money. Professional traders execute like snipers. A sniper can lie completely motionless in the mud for 2 entire days, waiting for the perfect shot. If the target moves behind a concrete wall at the last possible second, the sniper doesn't pull out a machine gun and start firing blindly into the trees out of blind rage. They simply lower the rifle, control their breathing, and wait for the next window. You must implement a mechanical rule to protect yourself from the almost trade. The second you see that the market has missed your limit order and has moved more than 20% toward your target, you must instantly click the cancel button. Delete the pending order, clear the lines off your chart, and physically step away from the terminal. You have to actively train your brain to stop viewing missed trades as personal insults. Instead, view them as brilliant confirmations that your analytical edge is razor sharp. You read the market perfectly, the algorithmic drawn liquidity was correct, and your directional bias was flawless. That is a massive victory for your trading journal. You must cultivate a state of complete emotional detachment. When you watch a trade play out beautifully without you, you should be able to sit back in your chair, take a sip of coffee, and feel absolutely nothing. No anger, no regret, no jealousy. Just the cold, calculating observation of a professional data analyst. The next time you see price tap 1 pip away from your entry block and launch into the stratosphere, I want you to literally freeze your hands. Do not touch the mouse. Do not touch the keyboard. Force yourself to sit in the discomfort of missing out until the emotional wave completely washes over you and fades away. Take back control of your psychology. The ultimate flex in this industry isn't catching a massive 100 pip runner. The absolute ultimate flex is watching a massive 100 pip runner leave without you and having the sheer, unbreakable discipline to do absolutely nothing about it. Remember this fundamental truth for the rest of your career. You do not get paid by the market for accurately predicting the direction of the candlestick. You only get paid for flawlessly executing your specific risk management edge. If the entry criteria are not met perfectly, there is no trade to execute. Kill the entitlement. Stop letting your ego convince you that the market owes you a fill. Protect your capital, respect your rules, and wait patiently for the setup that is mathematically destined to trigger your entry. If you want to master trading psychology, break the cycle of self-sabotage, and become consistently profitable, hit the subscribe button right now. If you have a specific psychological question or a mental block you are struggling with, leave it in the comments below, and I will make a dedicated video about it. I will see you in the next one.